Describe something you have always wanted to do but have not done yet.
Okay.
You should say what it is, when you would possibly do it, how you plan to do it, and explain why you have not done it yet. Start.
Okay. I'm always keen to try new things, but today I would like to talk about a situation when I was not able to complete my task. I vividly remember on my 90th birthday, India was totally locked due to coronavirus, and I wanted to celebrate my birthday in special way, and I also wanted to invite my friends in a restaurant, but all the restaurants were closed. So my mother suggested me to make pizza at home. Although all the ingredients which were essential to make pizza were available, but pizza base was not available. But somehow I managed to cook pizza in pan. Uh, Mistakenly, I added extra oil, which was my greatest mistake. But when I checked pizza after 15 minutes, it was too hard to eat, and my all family members laughed at me. So that was the situation when I felt embarrassed. But in future, I would like to take guidance from a master chef, so I would able to cook best pizza at my home, like as like uh, like restaurants. So that was the situation when I tried to cook something, but I was not successful in that activity.
Okay, okay, fine. So when you started, you said that because of coronavirus, you could not celebrate your birthday. Okay,
हाँ
so
जी.
what is it that you always wanted to do? Did you always want to cook a pizza and serve to in your birthday party to the guests? Is that what you wanted to do? Or you always wanted to celebrate your birthday? What did you want to do? See, if you say that I could not celebrate my birthday, but before coronavirus you were celebrating something which you have never done before. We always wanted to do,
Okay.
but you have not done yet. Till now, you have not been able to do because of certain reasons. Maybe you
हाँ जी, I
always find
wanted to.
some, yes, so you always find some obstacles in your way to do it, or you have not got an opportunity to do it. Describe something you have always wanted to do, but you have not done it yet. So here, what you want to say? सी हेयर
मैम
व्हेन
इसमें ना,
जब आपने यहाँ पे
हाँ
पिज्जा
जी,
के बारे में बोला, आपने तो बना ही लिया. You always wanted
हाँ
to
जी.
cook a pizza, but you did it. Whether it tasted good or not, but you have already cooked it. Here the question is, but you have not done it yet. Maybe you dream of doing it. Okay, you have always wanted to do. I have always wanted to travel across the world, but
ओके.
I have not been able to because I don't have the means and sources to travel.
हाँ जी,
And
फिर हम इसमें फिर कोई ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में बोल देते हैं भी हमने मतलब प्लान ट्रिप किया था बट आफ्टर 2 डेज है ना भी हो गया इंडिया वॉज टोटली लॉक्ड.
yes, no, not don't relate it to coronavirus. Always you had wanted to do from the beginning. For example, you had always wanted to learn how to play a piano from your childhood, but you have not done it yet. Now you have grown up. You never got an opportunity. And to play a piano, you need to buy a bigger one. Okay? So you never had so you can say that I had
दी
limited.
यहाँ पे ना, सॉरी,
Mhm.
यहाँ पे ना मतलब जो ये है ना मैंने होल प्रिपेयर किया है जो आपने मतलब दिया है मेरे तो ये क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वाज द थिंग व्हेन एंड वेयर व्हाई could you not to do would you do it in future or not. यहाँ पे what is it है when you would possibly do it यहाँ पे ये है.
So what you could not do, that also means the same thing जो आप नहीं कर पाए अभी तक.
ठीक है.
उसमें थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन में चेंज है, बट द मीनिंग इज द सेम. व्हाई यू कुड नॉट डू इट दैट यू हैड ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू बट यू कुड नॉट डू इट, सो यू हैव टू टेल द रीजंस व्हाई यू कुड नॉट डू इट. तो
ओके, फिर मैं इसमें क्या बोलूँ?
सो हाउ यू प्लान टू डू इट, अब इसका आप दोबारा से सोच के अब आप कल बोलना. अभी बाकी के क्यू कार्ड्स करते हैं. सो सिंस एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, यू कैन से आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ट्रैवल. अब अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड है, एक पर्टिकुलर कंट्री भी ले सकते हो. आई वांटेड टू लर्न दिस बट आई कुड नॉट डू. आई वांटेड टू वर्क इन दैट कंट्री, इन दैट कंपनी. Okay, I've always wanted, since I started working, I have always wanted to work in that so and so company, but I have not been able to do that because there's a lot of competition involved, and then there are certain requirements of that company. I think I need, how do you plan to do it? I plan to take up some courses in order to be eligible to apply in that company. Always wanted to
ओके।
do में, since I started working I always wanted to do. अगर piano painting या कोई sport लेते हो, since my childhood I always wanted to do. I had that urge in me or eagerness or excitement in me to learn that skill or to develop that skill in me, but I could not do it because of so and so reasons. So इसको क्यू कार्ड को इस तरह से आपने लेके जाना है, ठीक है? अभी इसको रेडी कर लेना
ठीक है।
और कल आपने बोलना है इसको. Now we'll start with the next cue card. 1 minute.